Hi, welcome to things you can do with the 2 Series MSO in under a minute. Today we're going to do some measurements using both the cursors and the measurements tab. I've got channel 1 hooked up to a clock signal. I'm going to control it via the built-in VNC server. So first of all, I'm going to make use of the full ADC. Let's make the signal larger, and I'm going to just close the time base down a little bit. I'm going to activate the cursors. Quick, simple exercise. Move cursor using the screen. You can also move it using these buttons here. So moving B, and you can see I've got that's a roughly 40 megahertz clock signal. If I then bring up the measurement tab, I can take a look at how to do that using the automated measurements options. So time measurements, I want to double tap the frequency badge, and there you have it. I've got a 40 megahertz clock. If I double tap into that measurement 1 badge, it gives me a whole host of features there. So I can have a look at the mean, standard deviation, maximum, minimum, etc. And I can even show that in the actual badge on the main display. I can also bring up a results table to look at it in a tabular format. And as I add more measurements, take a look at the measurement results tab. So if I can add amplitude, I might want to look at the rise time. So let me find rise time. There it is. And as you can see, as I add these measurements here, they also appear in the table. So a really quick, easy way to do measurements with a 2 Series MSO.